next example that's actually useful. Yeah, you can also have attributes. Once I could wrap things in tags, I could use attributes. Just stay all of it. Okay. Here, I'm looking for the text linked to an HTTP something. I've got my first capture is HTTP and everything. My second capture is just the URL without the HTTP. I'm going to replace this by C and element A. The href will be the first capture, and the content will be the whole text. So if you apply it to here, then you can get this. Which is quite convenient because actually in the data I process, there's no fancy, there's no other, there's no FTP URLs. We're happy to just doing that at least on the HTTP. So it goes a bit further than substituting just text. It goes from text to text or text and elements. Split. Oh, yeah, split is a bit the same thing, but more complicated. Actually, have to. Basically, it started as just a regular split, the text split, and then it went to further, because what you want, once again, is styling stuff. Like here, yes. So I got Italy, Bolivia, Kyrgyzstan, I know it's a T number, but I like the span. And I'm going to apply a regular expression on that. It's going to look for etal something and replace it by, and wrap it actually in an I tag, or and the rest of the word in B tag, and something that ends in span. I'm going to wrap it in a span element, and with an attribute class span. And that's what you go from Italy to Italy becomes tagged in I, Bolivia in B, and in Kyrgyzstan. So it's a way again. I do a lot of my work is adding structure to things that are either HTML originally or that come from word processors. And somewhere or another I get into some kind of XML, but that has no structure, very little structure, and now a lot of things that are not tagged, and I have to add that. So that's one of the ways I use. And then I got, as I was saying, I have to add the structure. Ah! No, come back. Okay, wrap children. So fairly often I have data with that was a word processing style. So it's title, then you have a paragraph, and title with no level, the lower level. The paragraph, some other style maybe, and another. And what I want to do is this should be in a section level 2, also this, and this should be in a section level 1. So wrap children lets you apply a regex-like language to the structure of your XML. Like here, I'm going to wrap the children title with, that should be level, but that didn't fit on the other side, I guess. Level 2, followed by paragraphs and notes, repeated. And those things, if I find that in the structure of my XML, I wrap it in a div tag with the level that should be 2. That makes sense? If you look at the tree, you would have like the elements over that. And the first children, you look at the children and say, oh, I want to find a title with that attribute, and then P and nodes elements repeated in this. And once I've done that, once I've gotten my level 2 division right, then I can go to the higher level and do it on the title level 1, the paragraphs, notes, divisions. Actually, I could even here I've said with the level 2, and I run this in the division with the level, and that should be 1. So that's what I use to add structure to instruction things. And I think, yeah, that's the result. So perhaps, and the thing I actually use, when you add structure, you have to go from the lower levels to the highest, because otherwise it doesn't work. So it's just for fun. I've computed the maximum level before, so I go from the maximum level to 1, and I apply this with the appropriate level. And it works. Also. And I think that's about it. Thank you. Question? You have a headache?
No, but it seems dedicated to the XML processing.
That's a lot of what I end up doing. No, I have a lot of going from something to XML, and then once I'm at the XML that we want, I go from there to XHTML. So, yeah. Let's put this part of the class on the class text. It's really from the XHTML.
So you want to write
yeah, I don't think so. Those were the methods from the dark content, and I figured what I'm doing now. So now to kiss something instead. But I'm sure what happens is people are rewriting if I've got it in. No, I try to avoid namespace. In the matter, I do a first pass when I fix the prefix, and then I work on my ignoring namespace. No, actually with the XML Twig you can output and you specify that namespace should be output that prefix. Yeah.
That's why you do it.
Yeah.
But like pre-processing, you take
Yeah.
it all right.
But when you get it clean. Yeah, no, it takes that into account. There's a way of mapping namespace to prefix, and when you output it, to be sure the prefix is applied. And then, if you get one namespace, treat the prefix as part of the tag. I use XML also for documents, not for data various sources. The only thing is nothing which I'm trying to questions? Okay, if you have questions on anything, the best place is actually Burma. I follow it. I will relate it. There's also people who actually answer the questions.